What's up, everybody? So I'm here with the Eureka Comfort Clean. So I haven't used this for last year. I mean, I think almost 2 years ago I found this trash mine, and because since the brush hole's melted, like I swapped this brush hole. That one fits on the Eureka Airspeed, and that one the Comfort Clean. So it fits a different model in that one. So yeah. So I swapped this brush hole, putting on this Eureka. So I'm being vacuuming on this dry lints, and so in this motor's gonna sound a little siren, and so here we go. Yeah, it did a great job. Yeah, that one's did a great job on this Eureka. The Eureka Comfort Clean did a great job. And yeah, so I'll be using this thing, and I'll use this for vacuuming areas. So yeah, thanks for watching this video. Please like and comment, subscribe, and for this video, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.